All right, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of the Crypto Breakdown. I'm your host, Ryan Mehta. Coin of the day, Coti. Can this coin 2x, 5x, 10x? The charts have been looking killer on Coti right now, so we got to be pretty close to bottom. We're due for a rally. I predict that in the next rally, we're going to see Coti take off a little bit. So let's dive into these charts. Let's get it. So taking a look at Coti over here, Coti currently has a circulating supply of 1.1 billion coins out in circulation. Price point is 9 cents. If we take the circulating supply, we times that by the price, that gives a market cap of $107 million. So globally, worldwide, there's roughly $107 million worth of Coti out in circulation. So if we take a look at Coti tokenomics and you invested into Coti today at 10 cents, and I always round to keep things simple, and the market cap is $110 million. For you to 2x on that investment and for the price to hit 20 cents, the market cap would need to be $220 million. For you to 10x on that investment and for price to hit $1, market cap would need to be $1.1 billion. 20x on that investment, $2, market cap would need to be $2.2 billion. And for you to 100x on a Coti investment and for price of Coti to hit $10, the market cap would need to be $11 billion. So if we jump over here and we take a look at crazy, insane market caps during a bull run, I mean, Shiba, 41 billion, Luna, 36 billion, Avalanche, 30 billion, Solana, 80 billion. These big layer ones are a lot different than altcoins. So different coins that have different purposes. We've seen gaming cryptos get upwards of 10 billion, Axie, 9.5 billion, Sandbox, 7.5 billion. So insane high market caps in crypto are just, and outside of tech in the crypto space, everything just revolves around hopium and popularity. And Coti does a great job on both fields. The next I'd like to check out is Lunar Crush. Lunar Crush tracks cryptocurrencies based off of popularity. We can see that Coti is currently the 4th most popular cryptocurrency in the world. Social mentions are up 21%, engagements up 21.5%, social contributions are up 17.4%, shared links are up 43%, spam volume is up 7.5%, market cap's up 4.9%. Bullish sentiment is up 31%, bearish sentiment's up 22%, Reddit volume's up 16%, and medium volume is up 50%. Anytime we start to see spikes like this over here on Lunar Crush, keep your eye on these coins because they just tend to rally. Not saying that Coti's gonna run up and do it 500x, but I am saying that I bet we see some positive price movement on Coti. The next I'd like to check out is CoinMarketCal. CoinMarketCal is like your crypto event calendar, and check this out, 6 upcoming events. So they have multi-DAG 2.0 mainnet, they have a new bridge release, treasury governance token, Coti Pay Business V2 coming up, new Explorer release, enterprise tokens. I mean, out of all the projects that don't take advantage of the free marketing that comes along with CoinMarketCal, it always blows my mind because every product has events coming up, but the amount that don't post it over here, and this is the first place I go, I'm like, oh, is somebody gonna be popping off? Is there gonna be any big media news or any big headline news that these projects are gonna launch some big alpha coming up that's gonna pump the price of that coin? Because we just day trade in hopium in the crypto market. It's really what it is all about. So the next I'd like to check out is Codex. Codex uses machine learning and AI indicators to make price predictions, and they're very accurate in the short term, but long term they're pretty crazy. So 5 days they're saying 9 cents, 1 month they're saying 9 cents, 3 months they're saying all the way down to 5 cents, and over a 6-month period they're saying back up to 55 cents and then up to $1.57. So if they're saying Coti to $1.50, you'd be talking about like a 1.6, $1.7 billion market cap. I could see it. So according to our current Coti price predictions, the value of Coti is predicted to drop by 6.04% and reach a target of 0.922 cents by September 27th of 2022. According to our current technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral, while the fear and greed index is showing extreme fear. Coti recorded 17 out of 30 green days with an average price velocity of 3.9%. If we take a look at the indicators down here, internet growth says buy, Google growth says strong buy, Facebook growth says strong buy, mobile growth says buy. We're looking at targets for 2023, 2024, and 2025, 14, 19, and 24, 17, 28, 43, 25, 56, $1.25. So very consistent and similar predictions over here. Taking a look at the current sentiment for Coti, we're seeing 54% are bullish, 46% are bearish. And if we take a look at the highlights and risk analysis, we can see that it has high liquidity based on market cap and it's trading on Binance. So not very many highlights for Coti right now. Risk analysis says prices dropped significantly over the past year, down 74%. It has outperformed 56% of the top 100 crypto assets. It has outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is currently trading below the 200-day moving average. It is down 86% from its all-time high, and it has a yearly inflation rate of 65.53%. Now, the next I'd like to jump over to is Messari. Messari makes it really easy for you to track things like return on investment. So if you invested in Coti 3 months ago, you'd be down 0.8%. 1 month ago, you'd be down 2.37%. 7 days ago, you'd be up 1%. In the last 24 hours, you'd be down 18%. So according to Messari, on June 18th of 2022, Coti hit a cycle low of 8 cents. It is currently up 24% from that cycle low. It hit an all-time high on April 5th of 2022 at 33 cents, and it is currently down 70.54% from its all-time high. And then you swing over here to Codex, and it shows it is down 86% from its all-time high. And then if we swing over to CoinMarketCap, we are saying that we are down from its all-time high by 85.84%. So I'm pretty sure how Messari does it is it's just based off the time that they actually started tracking that asset. So not really sure why it's such a drastic difference, but now the next thing I like to do is I like to check out their social metrics. How fast is their community going? Because that's how I monitor an adoption rate. I mean, everything that revolves around crypto is on Twitter. So we take a look at Coti, we can see that they have 239,000 followers, and the page wasn't started yesterday. So since 2017, they've been in their muck. They've been through it. This will be their second bear market now, and they have 239,000 followers. So if I swing over to Social Blade, I can get an idea of how well their network is growing. And we can see that over the last 30 days that they've only gained 169 followers over on Twitter, which is a 94.4% difference than previous months. And they actually look consistent. And what's really cool is it shows you their history and growth rate of their followers. So if we take a look here, 25,000, and that was at the peak of the bull run, right? And then we had that rally in November, and again, 25,000 followers. So that's really cool. It's consistent. It doesn't look like they're buying any fake followers. I can go all the way back. So it's really, really nice to actually be able to visualize our projects BSing you. Are they buying followers on Twitter? It doesn't look like Coti's doing any of that. But taking a look at their drop in growth rate, dang, man. And this is how you know we're getting really close to bottom. It's like all the moon boys are gone. Everybody's forgot about crypto. Every media outlet is hating on it. And we're still here accumulating. And these are the people that are still here today, DCing into good assets. Now, I don't own any Coti. I'm not promoting Coti, just to be clear. But I'm talking about when you're building your portfolio in the bottom of a bear market. These are the days where if you still have funds left, a lot of us have put almost all of our money into buying the dips because we just keep thinking it can't go lower. And then by the time it actually hits bottom, we're like, shoot, okay, we could buy 500 bucks worth or whatever because we've already put it in. But when you get down to those really low lows, like when we seen Cardano come down to 1.5 pennies in November of 2019, those are the opportunities where you're like, I mean, $100 or $1,000 could be life-changing gains. So when we get down here, I mean, what do you have to lose, right? Like, how much more are we going to go down? I'm not sure, but you know, now's the time to really be doing your research and finding those really good holy grail gems that have the most upside potential. And those are the ones that are going to make those life-changing gains. So if we jump back over here and we take a look at Coti on the daily time frame, throw on the Bollinger Bands. And when you see compression like this, it's hard to see like when it's in real time. But if you go back and you take a look and you zoom out and you look for areas where there's that type of compression, see back here, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for it when it starts to get coiled up like a snake. Oh, look at right there. See right there where you start riding that inner channel, there's just no volatility and then boom, breakout, right? So sometimes it breaks to the downside. It doesn't always break out to the upside, but Coti's been consolidating. We're getting that really tightness on our Bollinger Bands. And by tightness, I mean when Coti moves by 12% on a daily time frame and you're topping out at the bottom or a top of a Bollinger Band and it's just back and forth right off that Bollinger Band, you're going to break out at some point. So if you break out to the downside based off of key areas of support, you'd be looking for Coti to come down somewhere around like 7.5 cents. But based off of all the news and media, if we go back farther, you can see that the next key area of support would be all the way down at 2 cents. And I just don't think Coti's going to come down there because it hasn't already. And if we take a look at the summer low in 2020, another thing that I monitor on how low a project got in the summer of 2020 versus this summer, was it drastically lower? And we can see that from that low, Coti only went down another 11%. So outside of some wicks, for the most part, it's been able to stabilize and hold that same consistent floor around 9 cents. So we're sitting at that same floor that we were at in summer of 2021, where we skyrocketed. I mean, Coti just went straight parabolic, running up 610% over 71 days. So there could be some good opportunities here in Coti. Now, I'm just not confident. I don't study the project. I don't know enough about it to say, hey, it's not going to come down or whatever the case may be. But keep your eye on this one. Do some research into it. It's got a huge community, super popular, supposedly having a lot going on with Cardano. So if Cardano gets this next upgrade out over the next couple of weeks and it actually goes off and things start working again, Coti might be a good gem to hold in your portfolio. So for me to be confident that Coti is actually going to break out, I would want to see us get back above this 11-cent price target. We can see that right here where the B is. We shot up there, got rejected, and it looked like it was going to set us up for another ABC and put in one more lower low, which would again be down here around 7 cents and then pushing back up to the upside. So if we get back above this 11-cent target, the next target up on the fib is going to be calling for a price point of 15. And based off of Bitcoin, where Bitcoin's at on the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame, I mean, I'm still building longs. We're bottomed on Bitcoin on the 1-hour time frame on RSI. We're bottoming out on the 4-hour time frame. I mean, we're riding bottom, putting bullish divergence. Even though price is still coming down and putting in lower lows, it's not much lower. And then RSI is sitting here bottomed out. And on the daily time frame, Bitcoin bottomed out on June 17th. So we only double bottom like this, only triple bottom like, 4 or 5 times in history has Bitcoin ever been that bearish. And after every time it's been down here, it's always rallied. Do I think Bitcoin is going to 10K? No, I do not. Do I think Bitcoin has possibility to wick down really quick and skyrocket right back up, maybe 15K? Sure. But never in my life have I predicted a bottom. I've always predicted lots of tops, but never bottoms. So that being said, I just DCAing, guys. I don't know what else to tell you. This market's depressing. It's boring. I don't know. It's nerve-wracking to say the least. So you guys got to do your own research. These are just my best price predictions, but I'm doing a bunch of different videos. Whatever videos you guys request, drop some comments below. Let me know what video you guys want to do next, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.